Meet Lola. She is a French bulldog and she's amazing. She's about 2 years old. And so today we were in the pet store and I was thinking about when I was in Bob Proctor's course, and he says, we are created beings. That's what we are. We are the highest form. And all the other animals, the dogs here, the cat, everything else only lives from their senses. So that's hear, smell, see, taste, your 5 senses. We, however, we have our senses, the 5, and then we have 6 other senses. So then you're asking yourself, well, if I have 6 other senses, how come they don't teach us in school? That's because if they did teach you these things, you would find out how powerful you are. Did you know that if you can see it in your imagination, you can do it? You'll never get an image in your mind that you could not do. So if you're excited about something in your vision, you can do it. Did you know that your will, you have this inside of your body? It's your focus. It keeps that image in your mind. So if you can see it and you can keep your focus on it, the law of attraction says you have to have it. And then you manifest these things in your life. Now we have this creative ability inside of us. It's our memory. There's no such thing as a bad memory. We just don't know how to use it. Our perception, how we're viewing the world. You can choose. Do I want to look at this in a negative way or a positive way? You have that ability. And unfortunately, when we're young, we're getting raised by parents that were stressed out. They're going through a divorce. Kids are separated, and the kids, they're getting all this negative energy and it's pulling them down. I've seen this in my own children, and now they're having this stress and anxiety, and we don't realize that it's this stress, this pain that we're experiencing from our thoughts, from our environment that we're living in, from these injuries that we have, and it's manifesting later in life, and it's causing a lot of these problems we're seeing. Heart disease, cancer, diabetes is on the rise. These things are just crazily growing. But when you have these 6 intellectual faculties to help your body balance itself, and that you can free yourself from stress using your own self, that's what we teach you on YouTube channel, then you become unlimited and you have a limitless life. So I can't wait to teach you more of this information. Please make sure you're liking and subscribing, turning on the bell. We'll talk about the other senses that we have and how important they are for your being. And then your intuition is going to lead you right back here in the next video. And we'll see you then. Cheers.